All right, guys, check this out. This is a custom fitted grill that we just had done for a customer. This one here is the has a vampire fangs on it. Now these are singles actually. If you look on each, in between each tooth, you see that cut all the way. Okay, these are all single caps, removable, individual teeth. It gives it that very nice individualized look. You can't really achieve that any other way. You know, look at this. Just beautiful vampire fangs. Get them for the top or the bottom teeth. We can make these in a gold plated, 10K gold, 14K gold. It's up to you. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching. Check the link in the description. Takes you right to the product. As always, y'all have a good one.